Team lift the turntable to the desired ProScanner location. Follow the spacing advisory in the installation guide provided with your ProScanner, and be sure to avoid natural light, glossy, or reflective surfaces in the camera tower's field of view. Lay the handle on the turntable and connect the turntable and handle wire harnesses. Stand the handle up while tucking the wire harness cables into the cavity to avoid any damage. Fasten the handle using 3 of the provided button head screws and the hex key. Perform the same installation steps with the remaining handle. Gently lay the camera tower on its side and unfold to extend it to its full length. Then, secure the latches on the front. Stand the tower base on its side and align the protruding screw threads from the camera tower with the 4 holes on the tower base. After pushing them together, tighten the 4 thumb nuts to the camera tower threads to fasten the 2 parts and secure the connection. After standing the combined parts, push the tower base into the turntable connection. Then, insert the 2 nylon thumb screws to fasten the 2 parts and secure the connection. Your assembly should look like this as of now. Next, we'll install the ProScanner tablet. Grip the upper sides of the bezel and gently pull towards yourself to unhinge it from and expose the bracket. Place the provided Velcro coins at the top rear of the tablet. Place the other half of the Velcro coin on top of each applied coin. With the Velcro coin pairs applied, mount the tablet. Connect the USB and power cables as displayed. Power cable on the right, USB cable on the left. Power on your tablet by holding the power button for 5 seconds. Once the Chewy logo appears, close the tablet bezel. Fasten the power and USB cable behind the camera tower using the adhered cable clips. From the light panel behind the camera tower, plug in the power cable. The turntable should begin its calibration by rotating entirely once and stopping on its own. After the turntable calibration, plug in the USB cable. Back at the tablet, link to your facility's Wi-Fi connection. Once connected to Wi-Fi, launch the Fit3D app. If prompted, please perform all updates on the Fit3D app. You'll require 4 unique values to register your ProScanner: your activation code, the tower base serial number, camera tower serial number, and lastly the turntable serial number. Locate your activation code in the Fit3D onboarding email thread. Using your smartphone, collect photos of the remaining 3 serial numbers located around your ProScanner. On the registration page, enter your activation code and 3 serial numbers into their respective fields. When completed, you'll land on the app's Sign In and Account Creation page. If you have any further questions, please reach out to us by submitting a ticket at support.fit3d.com, and a team member will be with you as quickly as possible. Thank you for being a part of the Fit3D family.